2026. It will reward the homeowners who plan ahead and punish the homeowners who procrastinate, who wait, see what happens. Comfort, efficiency, and clean air don't happen by accident. They happen by design. The truth about HVAC in 2026. Let me get straight into it and hit a couple points real fast. Most homeowners are not ready for what's going to be HVAC in 2026. Utility costs aren't going down. Systems are getting more complex. The old mindset of I'll deal with it when it breaks is about to get really expensive. This isn't fear, it's preparation. Number one, energy efficiency. 2026. It's not optional, it's the minimum. Older systems run longer, cost more, feel under stress. Monthly energy bills already proved that they're not going down. And some people miss too. It's more than just the energy efficiency ratings of the equipment. It's about how it's sized and how it's installed. All that make a difference. The homes that stay comfortable in 2026 won't be lucky, they'll be planned. Number two, smart AC. Something we started last year in 2025. Smart AC with the Smart Comfort Club, but systems that self-monitor, detect things early, alert you early, predict failure, that will be normal going forward. Okay, so it was brand new when we rolled out in March 2025 locally here, but it will be the future. It will be normal. If your system can't tell you there's a problem before your home does, as being like your home's uncomfortable, you're already behind. Waiting for comfort laws is going to be an outdated approach. Number three, indoor air. Especially since COVID, families are paying more attention to allergies, humidity, overall air quality. Clean air is becoming non-negotiable, okay? We spend 90% of our time indoors. Comfort isn't just about temperature. It's about the air you breathe. And finally, waiting costs more. Waiting until it breaks is the most expensive strategy there is in HVAC. Parts cost more, labor costs more, emergency calls cost more. The only way to help this problem is preventive maintenance. That helps protect comfort and your wallet. So 2026, it will reward the homeowners who plan ahead and punish the homeowners who procrastinate, who wait, see what happens. Comfort, efficiency, and clean air don't happen by accident. They happen by design. If this episode helped you, please share with someone, a fellow homeowner, and remember, I am always here for you. We are always here for you. Simmons1hour.com. If you need anything, feel free at any time to reach out. Your friend in comfort and energy savings, Derek Cole.